from EMA Dental. I'm here in Boston, Massachusetts at the 2017 Yankee Dental Congress. We're here meeting with representatives from all over here on the floor, learning about new products, new technologies that we can incorporate into our dental routines, trying to figure out what's new and exciting in dentistry. We're taking continuing education courses. This is an annual thing that my office does every year. We'll be meeting representatives from Sonicare, Philips, also Patterson EagleSoft. They do the technology in my office. We have our software through them. We have a great relationship with these people. We do a lot of ordering our products and relaying our products then to our patients.
FlexCare Platinum Connected. Okay. So this came out a couple months ago. Yeah. We've had the FlexCare out for a while. This version has the Bluetooth. So benefit of this, you have a couple different sensors, 3 to be exact. You have one sensor that actually tracks the location. So if you see on the screen here, it's going to have it either on a facial or on the lingual side. The other thing is a lot of people, they don't brush properly with the Sonicare. They use it like a manual toothbrush.
Right. Yep.
So they're going to be, back and forth a lot. What we want to encourage is the slide and glide. So just really slow. And what this will do is actually coach your patients. If they are brushing improperly, it's going to tell you to use less motion.
I like that. It's like having a dental hygienist at your home.
Yeah, definitely.
You and teaching you how to
exactly.
brush and how to brush properly.
Right. And the other nice part is, as before, we do have the pressure sensor still on here.
I love that feature.
Yep. So it's going to blink. You're going to feel it actually vibrates at a different frequency. Also going to show you in real time to reduce the pressure too. And it just promotes proper technique. So other cool feature we're doing, instead of the quadrants, it's the sextants, which is 6 sections instead of 4. Every 20 seconds it's going to have you actually switch segments, which is really nice. Other benefit too, after your 2-minute cycle is done, they're going to have a touch-up mode. So I'll show you that.
I like the encouragement it gives you.
Yeah, and
it's really encouraging.
Exactly. And if you haven't done a well enough job on certain segments, for instance, it's going to take you to the next screen, which is this.
Right.
That's 2D. You can check it out in 3D.
Yeah.
Move it around if you want.
3D.
Reminds you to floss, which I'm sure you hygienists are going to love. The other part is going to just tell you where you've missed. So for instance, obviously for demo purposes, we missed a lot, but you're going to see the yellow there.
Yep.
And it's actually going to have a whole nother interval. It's about like 1.5 minutes for your touch-up. So it's going to have you go back and touch those up.
Perfect. So
really cool feature, and tracks all the data too, back to 6 months, so you can bring it into your prophy.
You can bring it in and show the hygiene.
Exactly, yeah. So now they,
yep.
So now they can't tell you you're doing the wrong thing. So ask you if you rinsed. Also too, if you are running low, it tracks how long the brush head has been on here, and will tell you to switch brush heads.
It definitely is a smart toothbrush.
It really is, yeah.
I like it.
Cool.
Thank you so
Yeah,
much.
definitely.
I definitely appreciate it.
Awesome.
Both of us are dental hygienists at EMA Dental, and I've been in hygiene for 40 years this year, so that's certainly a long time.
That's a landmark, and this year for me it will be 34 years, and almost 30 of those have been at EMA. Yankee Dental 2017, another year.
We've been here for several years. We love to come into the city to get our continuing education credits. We love Boston. We are able to take cutting edge courses.
Absolutely. Sometimes meet colleagues that we haven't seen in a while, talk to people in dentistry, talk to some of our representatives that give us great information and products. So we really can touch base with all aspects of dentistry and dental hygiene, and we love it.
We love being able to socialize with each other out of the office, learn new material, share that material with each other, do a little shopping on the side, have dinners out together, have a little fun while we're here, but still take our learning process seriously and be able to come back to the office and hopefully implement what we learn.
Tried new things for our patient care, whether it's a way of treating periodontal disease, whether it's something that has to do with whitening and aesthetics. or even just how we relate to our patients, and improving our communication skills with our patients and also with one another in the office as a staff. So we try to bring home pearls that we can apply to make our professional life better and to make the workplace a better place to be every day.
I think over the years, when we select our courses, I think sometimes we learn new information that we've already heard before, but it reminds us to always go back to the basics. But I think always at Yankee there are professionals here that bring us cutting edge information, and as well as the vendors on the floor, they always offer new products, training, and the latest information that you could want to bring back to your offices.
So you feel like you've really been educated and you know what's happening, not just in your region but nationally, because a lot of the speakers and certainly the vendors, they're going to different shows throughout the country, so you know what is happening in different parts of the country, and making sure that we're staying on top of all of those things and trying to implement new things as time goes on. So nothing gets old and nothing gets commonplace. We want to be on the cutting edge.
I think we're always trying to stay on the cutting edge of our careers in dentistry in general.
So dentistry doesn't have to get old and boring, and you don't have to get old and crusty. You can stay fresh, motivated, and just feel like no matter how old you are, you've got a lot to offer.